Hello guys, welcome back to another video guys. So in today's video you're looking at Hola Prime Forex guys, né? And then this is a platform that offers firstly Forex challenges and secondly features challenges guys. But our main focus on today's video will be on the Forex side, just because we focus on Forex trading this side guys, né? We do not focus on features, but like we're just gonna take a look at the features challenges so that you can get familiar with them. And then if you trade features, you can just hop on using the link in the description below. And also if you trade forex, make sure that you use the link in the description below guys. And then this is the best platform by far, just because you get your first payout in just 1 hour guys. You just have to do all the necessary steps, and then I'm just going to show you on the chart right now, né? So let's just go down with everything. So the first step is pass our trading challenge, of which you have to buy a challenge, pass your phase 1 or phase 2 depending on the challenge that you have, just because they also have a 1 phase and a 2 phase guys, né? Or a 2 step, né? So step 2, get a simulated funded forex platform account guys. Now once you pass, you'll receive a Hola Prime trading account with the same balance as your evaluation account guys. Now if you buy a 100k account, your funded account will just be a 100k account. And then step 3, earn real rewards on your simulated profits guys. Now trade risk free and keep up to 95%, so which means whatever you make on your funded account, you keep 95% of it guys. No capital risk and no hidden rules, of which that is the best thing that we want to hear as traders. We don't want any hidden rules, né? And then step 4, unlock Alpha Prime. Our top traders join the Alpha Prime scaling program for even greater trading opportunities, so which means that whenever you get to hold your funded account, you can scale up on that account and get like max allocation depending on how you trade guys, né? So here is all the things that they offer on Hola Prime Forex guys, né? And then like I said, you get your first payout in just an hour guys, né? And then as you can see here, they have the Pro Challenge, and then they have the Prime Challenge, they have the direct account, of which that is no evaluation Hola Prime account, leverage up to 30x and rewards from day one. Like I told you, and rewards from day one on this one, just because it's like a funded account. There are no steps, you just get into it and start making that money guys, né? Up to 90% rewards, no time limit, no profit target. And then on the Prime Challenge, suitable for swing traders like me guys. I like to swing trade, and then most of the time we scalp, but like when it comes to prop firms, like I told you, there is no way that you can scalp on a prop firm account, just because the lot sizes that I'm using whenever I'm scalping, they are not allowed on a prop firm account guys, né? So as you can see here, leverage up to 30x. So about that, news trading is allowed, weekend holding is also allowed, up to 95% rewards, 100% challenge fee refund. Like I told you on previous videos, whenever you buy a 100k account, for example, it's around $500 on Hola Prime. And then whenever you pass your phase 1, phase 2, get funded, then that is when on your phase payout you get your $500 refund guys, né? And then as you can see here, this is a Pro Challenge. You start with just $48, leverage up to 100x, news trading not allowed, weekend holding is not allowed, up to 95% rewards, 100% challenge fee, no time limit. So as you can see here, they have the 1-step, 2-step, 1-step prime, 2-step prime, and then the direct account, of which that is a already funded account guys, né? So I'm just going to do an example on a 100k account on all the steps that they offer here, or the options that they offer here. So a 100k account on your 1-step pro is $549, of which it's nice. Monthly is like 95%. Weekly is like 65%, bi-weekly is 80%. And then they have all the platforms that you are looking for. They have MT4, MT5, Trade Locker, Dex Trade, C Trader, Mesh Trader. That is if you like any of these ones here, but like I prefer using MT5 for those who know me guys now. So as you can see here, and then these are the things that are very important. Minimum daily loss on your 1-step pro is 3%. Max overall loss is 6%. Profit target is around 10% guys, né? As you can see right there. And then if we go to bi-weekly, as you can see here, the bi-weekly is like 10% profit target. It's still the same as you can see guys, né? So let's switch over to the 2-step pro. So the 2-step pro, as you can see, it's $500, and then the profit target is step 1, 8%, step 2, 5%, as you can see. Max overall loss is 8%. max daily loss is 5%, as you can see right there, guys. And then on the one step prime on a 100k account, as you can see, it's like 649, and then the maximum daily loss is 3%, maximum overall loss is 6%, and then the profit target should be 10%. So the two-step prime, let's just look at the two-step prime for those who like two-step primes. So max daily loss is 5%, 8% overall loss, 8% profit target on step one, and then 5% on step two, guys. So the direct account, for those who want a direct account, as you can see right there, a 100k account is like 2,811 and 25 cents, guys. This is like a straightforward get funded situation whereby you just get funded, you just make money, and then get your payout. Simple as that, guys. So they have a 5k, 10k, 25k, 50k, and the 100k, as you can see right there. Of which this is nice, guys. This is nice. I won't lie, this is nice. And then as you can see here, you choose your challenge. Like I said, this is another step. Get started in 3 steps. So step 1 is take a challenge, choose your challenge account, and showcase your trading skills. That is if you have a trading skill, just because they also offer a one-on-one mentorship on this platform here, of which that is if you have a low skills when it comes to trading, or if you want to sharpen up your skills. That is what they offer you, guys. That is what they can offer you, of which that is like great. As you can see here, one-on-one coaching. If you want one-on-one coaching, then they can also offer you that, of which it's free, guys. Very free, guys. And whenever you buy an account, you can request anything that you want so that you can succeed. That is why I'm saying that this is a good platform, just because they help you succeed, they help you make that back, guys. So step 2, clear the challenge to receive fixtures funds up to $300,000 in demo environment, guys. Get rewarded, receive up to 95% rewards with payouts processed in just 1 hour. Like I told you guys, you get your payout in 1 hour. And let's just look at the features. Like I told you, we can just check out the features for those who like trading features. So as you can see here, you can also join the Discord, like I told you guys. Make sure that you do that. So as you can see here, they have a one-step prime, and then they have the direct account. So this is like the features accounts, as you can see here. So they have the one step, like I told you, direct, and 100k is around 239, I think it's per month. Okay, as you can see right there. But like, let's not get into the features part, just because I'm not into features, guys. So I get confused whenever I look at things like that. And as you can see here, these are the plans. And then let's just look at the trading rules, and make sure that you use the link in the description below, just because that is the link that you can use to purchase an account with Hola Prime. So let's just go back to the Forex side, just because we are at the feature side. Here you can click here and then switch to the Forex side, and then click here and switch to the features side. But like, I prefer moving into the Forex side, just because that is what I specialize in, guys. So here is like everything that they offer. You can have like your contact us here. You can have a carrier, you can have a risk compliance, and all of those things, guys. But like, so far everything is neat on this platform here. You can just go at it, guys. You can just go at it, purchase an account, and then make sure that you use the link in the description below, like I told you. And then I'm just gonna drop signals for those who purchase an account with this platform here. But like, by doing that, I'm just gonna create a group on the side whereby I can just cater for everyone that bought an account. You can just get a 100k account, and then inbox me on Instagram. The link is in the description below, or somewhere on the channel, so that you can get those free signals and start banging, guys. Just because we want to make this money, like I told you. So I think I've explained each and everything that you need to understand when it comes to Hola Prime. You can just use the link in the description below. They have Instagram, they have LinkedIn, they have X, they have YouTube, they have this thing here, which is Discord, they have Facebook, they have TikTok, and then this is the contact us email right there. And then everything is straight, guys. Everything is transparent, as you can see right there. And I'll see you on another video. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you will purchase an account using my link in the description below, just because you're going to get free signals on gold, on any pair that you want, guys. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on another video. Peace and love.